Mechanics said the accelerator pedal was not reading right, so I'm going to put an accelerator pedal in. Going to go down and find the connector. First I loosened these clips and removed them, and then I loosened this panel. First I loosened these clips on this panel, and then I dropped this panel a little bit. That allows me to see the connector. Okay, it's a little hard on the back. The blanket helps. You gotta pull the gray clip out and then pull the connector off. And take those two bolts out. That's the clip. Pretty easy to get out. Two 10mm bolts using an extension. Using the original GM part. I'm gonna plug that connector in first. Okay, got the gray clip back on. Now I'll put the bolts in. First bolt's in. Got everything tightened up. I believe it's 89 foot-pounds. So we'll take this for a drive in the morning and see if it fixed it. To help relearn the computer, I'm just pressing down on the accelerator pedal at a count of 4 or 5 and letting all the way up and doing that 4 or 5 times. Now I can start the car. That was with the key on. Now I can start the car. Now I'm gonna watch the idle, and that should come down in a minute or two. Okay, the idle is settled at about 800. That's good. Now I'll take it for a test drive. Everything seems okay. It's not stuttering out of stops anymore. I'll list the warning lights here that I had, and I'll also leave an update in the description in a couple weeks.